A cover letter is often treated as a formality, but its true function is a high-precision document specifically calibrated for a single target role. To function properly, this document must accomplish two tasks simultaneously. It has to feed the correct data to an automated screening algorithm and engage the human hiring manager who eventually reads it. Before drafting begins, you need two tools finalized and ready. First, a completed baseline resume. Second, the exact job description for the position you are targeting. We are treating this application process as a strategic, engineered task. Success here relies on strict data alignment between your history and the employer's specific needs. The physical structure of your letter acts as the delivery mechanism for your professional data. This schematic shows the 6 non-negotiable zones of the document. You have the header, the salutation, the opening, the body, the closing, and your professional sign-off. To understand what goes into those zones, we have to look at the Applicant Tracking System, or ATS. This is the algorithmic gatekeeper that filters candidates before a human ever sees the file. Watch the fluff text fade away from this technical job description. You extract core competencies, like Agile or Python, and pull them into a structured data matrix. Isolating these requirements provides the exact data points the algorithm actively searches for. Extracting this structured data from the job description is the most reliable method to pass that initial algorithmic screening phase. Step 1 in bypassing the filter is the mirroring strategy. This means reflecting the employer's exact language back to them in your text. Synonyms trigger algorithmic rejections. The exact phrase digital marketing strategy registers as a success, while marketing planning fails the match. These exact terms must be woven in contextually so the sentence reads naturally for a human reviewer. Once the machine verifies your keywords, the document passes to a human. This makes your opening paragraph your most valuable real estate. Discard generic openings like, "I am writing to apply for." Instead, lead immediately with a metric-driven value proposition that proves your competence in the first sentence. A perfectly engineered opening satisfies the machine's requirement for exact phrasing while immediately capturing the hiring manager's interest. Now we move to the body paragraphs, the sections known as the payload. You use this space to provide concrete evidence for the practical application of your skills. This graphic shows the exact equation for generating persuasive impact. You combine a power verb, an industry keyword, and a specific metric. Most applicants make the mistake of simply listing their daily job duties. Using this metric-driven storytelling approach actually proves your past performance. This brings us to a significant error. Never use your cover letter to blindly copy the contents of your resume. This diagram illustrates the relationship between these documents. The overlap highlights shared traits, like a professional tone. The left side shows the cover letter's unique function, a narrative personal introduction. The right side displays the resume's structured list of work experience. Your cover letter provides the necessary context and narrative of why and how, while your resume serves strictly as the data-driven what. By transforming raw data into a targeted narrative, you ensure your application successfully bypasses the algorithms and reaches human decision-makers. This methodical, precision-based approach aligns your materials with the exact criteria hiring teams use to filter for top talent. Apply this exact framework to your next 3 applications and track your resulting interview conversion rates.